Sport Yoga is an online educational program that intellectually and creatively blends traditional concepts of yoga with modern-day mobility, movement, fitness knowledge, and understanding for the athletic individual. It is appropriate for beginner instructors seeking a smaller teacher training program, as well as experienced instructors interested in continuing their education in yoga and fitness. Sport Yoga is designed to promote mind and body health through use of intentional movement, communication, and experience. Completion of this program will bring credentials for teaching and leading others through Sport Yoga. You will then be an instructor of movement with an understanding of many different aspects of fitness and bodyweight movements to begin designing and teaching classes. Super fun. An independent study protocol and multiple learning strategies allow for Sport Yoga to be multi-layered for greater depth of learning. You will learn in more than one way and study in more than one way in the amount of time that is right for you. Through visual pictures and paragraphs, audio lectures, instructional videos, practical application, home fun, not homework, and other characteristics of this program, you will certify as a Sport Yoga instructor and you will be prepared to teach Sport Yoga classes.